In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your Google Chrome browser to its default settings. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. So for one reason or another, if you have a problem with your Chrome browser and you can't really get the original version, then the best way to go about it is to restore it to default settings. To do so, just tap on these three dots here. Then go to settings. Now from here, go to this search and then type in restore. And we have here an option to restore settings to their original default. So if we tap on this, we have some things that will be wiped out, and we are told that this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. So this option will also disable extensions that you have on your Chrome browser, and it will also delete cookies and other temporary site data. However, you have to note that bookmarks, history, and saved passwords, they won't be affected by this action. So from here, go ahead and tap on reset settings, and this will go ahead and reset your Google browser to its default settings. So this process might take 1 or 2 minutes, so you have to be patient as it resets your browser. And it is done. We are good to go. So that's how you reset or restore your Google Chrome browser to its default settings. So now if I open a new tab, we shall have a fresh browser, and you can say my bookmarks were maintained. All of them are here and I'm good to go. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.